Hey everyone, it's Coach Logan. This is going to be another quick recipe. We're going to be using keto bread, some of that spready cheese, a turkey or ham, just a deli meat, and some fat-free cheese if necessary. All these things you can get at Aldi except for the fat-free cheese. It's Kraft. You can get that anywhere. Trader Joe's, brother company, sister company of Aldi, has some light cheese, works just as well. So all these ingredients either from Trader Joe's or from Aldi, mostly from Aldi. So let's get into it. Okay, so keto bread. This is the white version. You can get this at Aldi. Has 4 grams of protein per slice. This is turkey. You can also get it from Aldi. Has 9 grams of protein per 2 ounces. We're gonna use half a pack or one of the packs from there, so half a thing. The Happy Farms, that has negligible amount of protein too, but that's mainly for taste and creaminess. And then 45 calories here with the fat-free cheese, 9 grams of protein. So adding these together, we'll get it started. I'm going to cook the turkey here in a little bit of spritz of olive oil. So let's get started with that. So turkey, approximately 230 grams of turkey. So that will get totaled in. And then I will chop this, dice this, and throw it on that pan as it warms up. I know the stove is dirty. I know. You don't have to tell me. I understand. This is real life here. It's not made for TV. So once that starts to warm up, we'll get the turkey roasting up even more. Set oven roasted, but I just don't like cold deli meat texture. So cook it as you need it. That's why I toast it. That's why I re-roast it, fry it up. And same with the cheese, same with the other cheese. So let that kind of get to a sizzle. It would help if I turned it on. Soft bread is fine, but not for most. Toaster in the toast. Toaster. The end. There's one little red string. That's it. You have to find that every time. And then you don't have to massacre the whole thing. We will probably do 3 total sandwiches. So 3 spready cheese should be good. And then let's get a good weight on this. So let's get a bowl. Zero it out. Zero it out. Zero it out. Okay, perfect. 28 grams per serving. We'll get around 3, so we know we're getting 27-ish grams of protein. So 20 times 3 is 60 times 8. About that much. Doesn't have to be exact. Don't worry about it. Don't stress. Now you can season this if you want to in some way. If you like it spicy, add some spice, add some cayenne, add some garlic. If you are someone who can't really handle spice, add your ketchup, add your pepper, whatever it is that you need to get that flavor that you want to. I have no idea how much protein this is actually going to be. I could guess based off of what I put in there now what it would be. Normally I track my food strictly, but I'm in a different space where I don't need to now. Mental space. I don't need that much control over the situation as much as I'm used to before. And it's a lot easier to just focus on getting a certain amount of protein that I need, because I am currently trying to put myself in a caloric deficit still to lose weight. So, because when you run a half marathon, it's not good to be 220 pounds. Well, it's not that it's not good. It's just not beneficial compared to 200 pounds. It's getting to a pretty good smoke point there. Olive oil is one of those lower smoke points, so I don't want it to get too crazy. Now you can easily do this without the turkey and add more cheese if you wanted to. You can do more keto bread if you want to. Turkey is not necessary in this instance, but it is a very quick way to mix in more protein. Same with the fat-free cheese. You don't have to do the fat-free cheese, you can just keep the turkey. Just something I do to get in the amount of protein that I need for the day. And it becomes pretty mindless over time. And be mindful of the condiments that you use for this stuff. That's where you can really add in the calories. So sugar-free something is always gonna be helpful here. Or just be smart. Don't overdo it. A little goes a long way with those condiments sometimes, so take your time with it. Crispy crust. Pickles might be good on this. If you like pickles, if you're into that kind of thing. If you're into cucumbers that have met their full potential and decided to not stay a cucumber. Because why would you want to be a cucumber when you can be a pickle? Let me know, comments. Would you rather be a pickle or would you rather be a cucumber? Cool as a cucumber or spready cheese and turkey patties. So you can gobble them up. Huh. You're watching it. It's not my fault you had to hear it. Blame yourself. Okay, so plated, squished, squashed, and ready. There's my 3. So I will total up the macros and then see how that goes. Yeah, so that's about it. It took me 20-ish minutes or so from start to finish to make that food. I'm gonna go consume it now. About 93 grams protein, 600 calories. So all those are approximations. If you ever looked into nutrition labels, they have so much error that they can have within them. So especially in America where no one cares. So quick meal, starting with protein, make sure that's basically the surrounding thing for all of my consumption. Later today, I'll probably have strawberries and some Greek yogurt, something like that. So let me know if you have any questions on how to make this. Just remember those are the servings, so adjust accordingly. I needed to get about that 70 grams of protein, slightly over, which is fine. Mainly my daily total calories, or my daily total protein needs to be around that 210, around approximately my body weight. For me, that's particularly my goal. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If there's anything that you would be adding or not adding, let me know, and then let me know if you are a proud pickle or a broken reboot cool cucumber. All right, until next time.